Which workshop air filtration system is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, WEN3410. The WEN3410 is a 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system that caught my eye with its remote control feature and solid price of $151.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 5,600 reviews, this is worth a serious look if you want to keep your workshop air clean and breathable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a 1-micron filter alongside a 5-micron pre-filter, which means it can capture tiny dust particles, providing cleaner air for spaces up to 400 square feet. The airflow settings of 300, 350, and 400 CFM let you customize how much air you're filtering based on your needs. Now, some people complained about the noise level, saying it can get a bit loud, particularly at the highest setting. Here's the thing though, if you're used to shop noises, this might not be a deal breaker for you. Plus, it's a small price to pay for cleaner air. This is perfect for you if you have a small to medium workshop and want an easy-to-use air filtration system. Skip this one if you need something for a larger space, since it's best for areas around 400 square feet. At this price point, you're getting solid value. Now, if the noise level of the WEN3410 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WEN Woodworking Filters. The WEN Woodworking air filters come in a 2-pack for just $19.99, making it a budget-friendly option for maintaining your air filtration system. With a 4.8-star rating from 2,600 reviews, this is a great add-on if you're looking to enhance your existing setup. They're specifically designed for the WEN3410, but they fit most air filtration systems, making them versatile. If you already own a WEN system, these filters are essential because they ensure that your machine runs efficiently and effectively, keeping the air in your workspace fresh. However, some buyers mention that the filters can clog faster than expected, which means you might need to replace them more frequently. But honestly, if you're serious about keeping your workshop clean, investing in these filters regularly is worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you already have a WEN air filtration system and want to keep it running optimally. Skip this one if you're looking for a standalone air filtration solution, since these are specifically for replacement. At under $20 for 2, it's a steal for cleaner air. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3, WEN3417. Next up is the WEN3417, a 3-speed remote-controlled industrial-strength air filtration system priced at $243.94. Its 4.3-star rating from 490 reviews shows it has a solid reputation, especially for larger workshops. If you need something that can handle bigger spaces, this one is worth a look. That's huge if you're dealing with sawdust or other particulates in a large area. Plus, like the WEN3410, it features a 1-micron filter and a 5-micron pre-filter, ensuring that your air is as clean as possible. The remote control and programmable timer are just icing on the cake for easy operation. However, a few users reported that the setup can be a bit tricky and might require some DIY skills. But I think it's a small hurdle for the amount of clean air you get in return. This is perfect for you if you have a spacious workshop and need powerful air filtration without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact, since this one is designed for larger areas. For its capabilities, it offers great value. Alright, if you find the WEN3417 too complex, the next one might be simpler for you. Product number 4, POWRT CAF4000. The POWRT CAF4000 is another great option, priced at $184.23 and boasting a 4.4-star rating from 392 reviews. This hanging air filter is designed for woodworking and dust collection, making it ideal for serious hobbyists and professionals alike. It offers 3 airflow settings of 300, 350, and 400 CFM, which is quite handy for customizing your air filtration based on your needs. And the RF remote control allows you to adjust settings from a distance, making it super convenient while you're busy working. Some users mentioned that the installation could be a little tricky since it comes with hooks but no included tools. But honestly, once it's up, you'll forget about that minor inconvenience because it does a fantastic job at keeping the air clean. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, reliable air filtration system that's easy to operate. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some DIY installation. For the performance it delivers, it's a good buy. Now, if you want something a bit more premium, let's talk about our last option. Product number 5, DeWalt DWXA F101. Finally, we have the DeWalt DWXA F101 priced at $279. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 148 reviews, this one is for those who want a premium option for cleaner air in their workshop. The built-in timer settings are great for automation, and you can set it for 1, 2, 4, or even 8 hours, which is perfect if you want it to clean while you're away. Plus, it hangs from your ceiling, freeing up floor space. However, a few users found the price to be on the higher side compared to similar products. But here's the thing, if you're serious about air quality, investing a bit more is worthwhile for the longevity and performance you get with this system. This is perfect for you if you're looking for top-tier filtration and prefer a system that's easy to install and maintain. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. The quality is reflected in the price, making it a solid investment for your workshop. So if you're looking for the best air filtration systems, each of these options brings something unique to the table based on your needs and workspace. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of workshop air filtration systems. The WEN 3410 is great for smaller spaces, while the WEN 3417 is ideal for larger workshops. The POWERTC AF 4000 offers a reliable balance of performance and ease of use, and the DeWalt DWXA F101 provides premium filtration for serious users. Whatever your needs, there's an option here that can help you breathe easier while you work.